colleagues in the division office, dear teachers, one and all, pleasant morning. It is with great enthusiasm that I welcome you all to the rollout of DCP Adoption Capability Building for teachers of DCP recipient schools.
Ladies and gentlemen, isang mapagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat. Morning! First of all, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to all of you for heeding again the call of the division office.
Learning outcomes. Pabasa nga po yung nasa harap. Diba? May mga ganap pa sa buhay na gustong-gusto ninyong balikan.
And of course, we are also having summative tests through Google Forms, right? And yung mga hindi maka-access sa Google Forms, pinapadala namin ng modules through hard copies. And of course, yung isang naisip ko na strategy ng school namin is when the problem is about the lack of yung gadgets, pinagsama-sama
tayo with two favorite projects. At yung tulong ika program po natin na napagbibigay ng module, and that is yung hindi po online. Tapos yung mga online classes po namin at saka namin namanggit din siya ay TikTok para ma-comply po lahat. So I can say that it's very successful.
Okay, so what I did is actually we visited them at the Muslim compound. Conduct na remedial teaching. And mahirap, pero para sa bata. Kasi bago sa online, hirap na hirap sila. So, yun na ginawa namin yung Chilima, nakatakas sa isipan nila hanggang kaya na mamala ang online teaching. Ayan po. Narinig po natin natin natives. And we need to address these needs through the use of technology. Thank you.
Utilize mo na din po yung Microsoft Form. And sa may mga parts din po na gumagamit din ako ng Padlet para yung mga bata nakakapag-interact online.
Show to the students the real scenario, the depicted scenarios during the histories of the Philippines. You put the attention of the learner to the gadget. Kasi iba yung hatak ng TV compared sa hatak ng taong nagsasalita na.
Or these programs, they were able to submit it on time.
Sis ka natin tayo mag-uplan, sumaray natin sa lahat na yung natuloy na isang libuyod.
Naglawag ni Rupa